Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to link your Discord account on your PS5 to chat. Okay, you need to press this PS button and go to game base, okay, and just scroll down. So here you can link the account, okay, or else you can directly go to settings and go to user and accounts, and here go to linked services. So these accounts you can link it, okay. So you need to tap it and then link it, or directly you can go game base, go to Discord and then link the account. Super. So what you need to do is you need to simply you can log in, or you can use the scanner, okay, for this QR code, or simply you can already log in, right? You can enter this code. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to click on this use browser. So I'm going to take a note of it, VX, okay, VXW9, or just take a screenshot. Now I'm going to use the browser, and here we need to log in with our account. So you need to provide user ID and password of your Discord account. Super. It's trying to access PlayStation. So I need to keep scrolling. Authorize. So that's it, friends. Successfully it's linked. So now I'm closing. Super cool. So whatever right I have subscribed under Discord, here you can see. Also you can check my server as well. Also I can create a direct voice chat as well. So if you want to disconnect, right, again you can go to settings. Go to settings and go to user and accounts and go to linked services, and here come to Discord. That's it. Now if you tap unlink, right, automatically it would be disconnected. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can connect your Discord account on your PSP console. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.